Hi, everyone. My name is Allison Grosz. I'm an attorney and a partner here in New York City with Hemrick PLLC. Today, I'm going to continue with my What Is series, and today I want to talk about what is a non-immigrant visa. Last week, I discussed what is an immigrant visa and how to get one, but today I'm going to talk about the exact opposite of an immigrant visa, which is called a non-immigrant visa. A non-immigrant visa is exactly that. It's a visa that is temporary in nature. It's a visa that is for somebody who has no intent to permanently relocate to the United States. A non-immigrant visa can be any kind of visa that is not an immigrant visa. So last week we talked about what is an immigrant visa, an immigrant visa being a green card or what's called legal permanent resident status in the United States. So a non-immigrant visa is anything that ranges from a visitor visa to the United States, sometimes referred to as a B1 or B2. It can be a student visa status. It can be a J1 visa status. It can be any other kind of temporary employment or tourism level status. When a person has a non-immigrant visa, the intent when they enter the United States is that they are going to stay for a temporary period and depart the United States at the conclusion of the validity period of their non-immigrant visa status, whichever visa that may be. Now, a person here in the United States who has a non-immigrant visa is perfectly able to, under most circumstances, extend their non-immigrant visa status. Let's say they change their mind or they want a longer period of time on their current non-immigrant visa status. A person can also apply to change from one non-immigrant visa status here in the United States to a different kind of non-immigrant visa status in the United States. As an example, if a person is here under B1, B2 status, they stay for the validity period, and before the validity period ends, they decide that they want to become a student here in the United States. Well, under most circumstances, people are perfectly within their rights from here in the United States to apply to change from one non-immigrant status, such as a B1, B2, to another non-immigrant status, such as an F1 student visa status. Now, a person can apply, like I just said, from here inside of the United States. A person can also, of course, apply for a non-immigrant visa at a U.S. consulate abroad outside of the United States. With that being said, that's what a non-immigrant visa is. We here at Hemrick PLLC love to answer people's questions about whether or not they qualify for various kinds of non-immigrant visa status. We're happy to help people either extend or change their non-immigrant status from here in the United States or to obtain non-immigrant status from outside of the United States. Of course, we're always happy to answer any other immigration questions that people may have. Feel free to reach us at 833-848-7838, or you can also find us online at hemrick.law. Until the next time, everybody be well.